Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be making some Nutella cookies. So let's get into the video. So to make the cookies you'll need flour, an egg, Nutella of course, and the white chocolate chips are optional. You're going to start by adding your egg into the Nutella and giving that a good mix until it's fully combined. Once it's combined, you're going to slowly add your flour. So I just added it a little bit at a time and then mixed it. You're going to keep adding your flour until you've used all of it and it's well incorporated into the cookie mix. At this point, the flour wasn't combining as well because the cookie batter got a lot thicker. So I just decided to knead it in to work the rest of that flour in. So that's what I'm doing here. Once your cookie batter is done, it should look something like this. To form the cookies, I just roll them in the palms of my hand until they form a ball. And then I'm just going to place them down on my greased parchment paper. This batch made about 14 cookies, but it depends on the size you make your cookies. You wouldn't have to spread your cookies out too much because they don't spread a lot. When you're all done, you're going to bake your cookies for about 10 to 15 minutes. When they're done, they'll look like this. Now we're just going to melt the white chocolate and just drizzle it on. I used a spoon and I just did this little zigzag design. You can do whatever design you want. That's just what came to my mind at that moment. And you want to do this when the cookies have cooled a bit, or else it'll just melt off. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye!